Hello, Professor Caparuso. This is Billy, and I'm going to give you a tour of the functionality of my final project, Opiniosphere. As I mentioned before, Opiniosphere is basically Facebook except for opinions, and, it's something that I think could be a good idea, but it has yet to really, to my knowledge, really take off anywhere. So, without further ado, let me show you my functionality. This is my home page. Since it doesn't have a back end, it really doesn't do anything. But theoretically, you would type in your username and password and click submit, and it would log you in. But without a backend, it doesn't do that. So I'm going to go to what if you forgot your password to show some JavaScript functionality. If you forgot your password, you type in your email like so, that you already registered with us, and you submit. And if you submit, the jQuery will let you know that, well, thank you. And tell you should receive an email with instructions on how to reset your password. So that's just one of the JavaScript functionalities that you have with this. And the next message is, if you still have trouble, please contact customer support. Let me go back. What if you don't have an account, though? If you don't have an account, sign up for one. If you click that link, it takes you to user registration, where you'll type in information to register your account. And again, since it doesn't have a back end, it won't actually send any data to a database for you to do that with, but we're going to just pretend here. And you register. When you register, you have another JavaScript functionality. It may be an after method, but you'll see really quick that there will be a green box telling you that check your email or something. It's really quick. You barely see it, and I haven't figured out how to keep it. Haven't figured out how to make it stay, but you could. Oh, it does it the first time. Yeah. Oh, it did it the first time, but you can see that really quickly that there's a green box that tells you something like, thank you, please check your email for more instructions to finalize your registration. So that's another thing that you can see with the functionality there. Now the main functionality will be in like the profile page and stuff. Everything up here you can see has a link except for edit profile. That's not something I made as of right now, and I don't know if I will make it, but may have to. But all these lead somewhere. On the profile page, you can see obviously my picture. This is like your Facebook profile page if you had to think about it a certain way, and it gives you an option here to actually post, if you wanted to, and your opinion about something. This opinion about something, let's say how you felt about Thanksgiving. I thought my Thanksgiving was awesome this year. You would post it, and theoretically, theoretically, it would come onto your post feed after that and share it to your friends as well. So, since I don't have that capability, I don't know how to do that, you can see my mock post feed down here on the same page. My mock post feed, you can see my previous opinions on the dates that I would have posted them on as a user. You can like and comment on them, share them, like on Facebook, and see how many people like them. There's 2 opinions down here. And another JavaScript functionality that I found for that is, what if I, like on Facebook, what if I click on it? Or on Twitter or something. I click on it, and it'll blow up for me so I can see it. The way I figured out how to do that so far is using the load function with jQuery. So let's expand this thread and see what people said. I expanded it and see the state of lorem ipsum that I posted on October the 29th, 2018. In theory, I can write a comment down here if I want to. That's cool, bro. And if I post it, it would theoretically end up in one of the comments down here. But you can see previous comments for other people thinking it's laughable or whatever, and stuff like that. So that's one of the JavaScript functionalities for my site. Also at the way bottom, what if I want to come all the way back up though, and I don't want to do this? You know, no one really likes to do that a lot. I can click go to the top, and I use jQuery to come back up. So that's another JavaScript functionality of mine. Let's go to our about page next. Oh, I actually need to link the about page. Okay, pretending that I did, I'll fix that, but pretending that I did link the about page. Actually, I'll do it really fast. About. Okay. Go into the about page. This is about me. This would be like your profile information if you clicked on your information, you know, on Facebook. About me, I use another JavaScript functionality here is that I use jQuery accordion to display it. So here's just general information. So my interests, education, political orientation, which I didn't actually fill in. But that's again another little JavaScript functionality. Let's go to your friend, which I call my site Friendly Thinkers. I have one friend for my user, and it's Wilbur McGruffin. He's a picture from one of our previous projects. It shows where they're from, where they last posted, since how long you've been friends. And if I had more friends, it would be this list would keep populating. You can scroll down. It allows you to message them, kind of like on Facebook. So that's another thing there. No edit profile. The last thing is that it allows me to log out, so just log out too. So, Professor, that's my project so far. Please give me feedback, and I'll see what I end up doing.